Who are the richest dancehall and reggae artists alive today? All mainstream music genres have their own megastars who are ranking in millions every year. The likes of Jay-Z, P. Diddy, and 50 Cent comes to mind. But reggae and dancehall artists are making paper too. Our subscribers have been asking who are the richest persons in dancehall and reggae. We have the answers to those questions. There are no doubts that if this list was for all-time richest reggae musician, Bob Marley would top the list with an estimated net worth of US $130 million. Bob Marley, though deceased, is still richer than all the other reggae artists and this list combined. Bob Marley goes down in history as one of the richest dead celebrities of all times. This is a list of all the richest dancehall and reggae artists alive. While you're at it, remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. Welcome back, my lovely friends, and these are the top 10 richest dancehall and reggae artists alive today. Number 10. Bounty Killer. Dancehall veteran Bounty Killer is regarded as the most influential artist in dancehall music today. He is responsible for the careers of some of dancehall top acts currently, including Movado, Busy Signal, and controversial artist Vybz Kartel. Bounty Killer has over the years acquired a net worth of around the US $3 million, putting him in the ranks of the richest dancehall reggae artist alive currently. Number 9. Beenie Man, $3.7 million US. Beenie Man rose to stardom in the early 1990s and has since been rocking up the charts with his catalog of hits. The Zim Zimmer DJ has acquired a solid net worth over the years and can safely join the ranks of the richest dancehall and reggae artists alive. Number 8. Buju Banton, estimated net worth $4 million US. Just in case you're wondering, the answer is yes. Reggae and dancehall artist Buju Banton is rotten rich. Buju once used to be the richest artist alive, but suffered a tremendous fallout from his beef with the gay community. Despite that fallout, Gargamel is still one of the biggest selling reggae artists today. Number 7. Maxi Priest, estimated net worth $4.6 million US. Maxi Priest is another hugely successful international reggae singer with some R&B influence. Priest has released some 9 albums during the mid-1980s, most of which top charts in the UK. Although Maxi Priest was born in Jamaica, his parents moved to the UK at a young age, which influenced the R&B flavor in his music. Number 6. Damian Marley, estimated net worth is $6 million US. Damian Jr. Gang Marley is a highly successful Marley son. Junior Gang started recording since he was 13 years old and to date has earned himself 3 Grammy Awards. His song, Welcome to Jamrock, was named the top reggae song of the last decade by New York Times. Both albums, Halfway Tree and Welcome to Jamrock, was certified gold in the US. His collaborative album, Distant Relatives with rapper Nas, is also gaining much traction worldwide. Number 5. Sean Kingston, estimated net worth is $7 million US. Some may argue that Sean Kingston genre is not reggae, but to be correct, it is in fact reggae, or some would say reggae pop or R&B reggae. Whichever you want to call it, it's still reggae. Kingston is a new breed of reggae artist that is propelling reggae music into the mainstream. His 2007 self-titled debut album was certified gold in the US. Kingston's hit single, Beautiful Girl, made him a mega star. The song peaked at number 1 on the Billboard chart. Sean Kingston is now not only an artist but also an entrepreneur. He started his own record label, Time Is Money, which is responsible for another breakthrough reggae pop singer, Ayaz from the Virgin Islands. Number 4. Ziggy Marley, estimated net worth $10 million US. Ziggy Marley is the oldest son of late king of reggae Bob Marley. He has always been regarded as the most successful of the Marley children. Some may speculate that the bulk of Ziggy's net worth comes from inheritance, but Ziggy Marley has been recording since he was a teenager. His 2006 album, Love Is My Religion, earned him his third Grammy and sold millions of copies worldwide. Ziggy is a core figure at the helm of Tough Gang Worldwide Record, which is responsible for distributing Bob Marley music worldwide. Number 3. Sean Paul. Estimated net worth $11 million US. Sean Paul is no doubt the most internationally successful dancehall artist to date. His 2004 album, Dirty Rock, sold 6 million copies worldwide, which pushed him into the mainstream of music. Dirty Rock won Sean Paul a Grammy Award and other nominations. Paul also did collaborations with megastars such as Beyonce, Rihanna and Keisha Cole, just to name a few. There is no surprise Sean Paul is on the list of richest reggae star of all times. Number 2. Jimmy Cliff. Estimated net worth $18 million US. Jimmy Cliff's true net worth is not fully known, as data I collected was limited, but from my estimate, the Harder They Come star is worth in the region of $18 million US. Jimmy Cliff is no doubt the second most iconic personality in reggae music to date, second only to the king himself, Bob Marley. Jimmy Cliff's hit movie, The Harder They Come, helped propel the worldwide reggae music movement of the 1970s. Bob Marley may need to credit Jimmy Cliff and his blockbuster film for some of his success in the 70s. In 2010, Jimmy Cliff was also one of the 5 performers inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Cliff is a full-fledged entrepreneur with several businesses under his belt. Number 1. Shaggy. Estimated net worth $22 million US. Shaggy's 2001 album, Hot Shot, sold more than 20 million copies worldwide, making him one of music's top-selling artists. The mega sales propelled Shaggy to arguably become reggae's richest artist of the current generation. Hot Shot peaked at number 1 on the Billboard charts in the US and the UK, and was certified 6-time platinum in the US alone. Despite the huge success of Hot Shot, Shaggy never released another successful album to date, and he really doesn't need to. These days, Shaggy is more known for his charitable work in Jamaica, after he launched the Shaggy Foundation, which is responsible for the annual Shaggy and Friends concert. All profits goes to the Bustamante Children's Hospital in Jamaica. Thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time, consider subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.